outside, and it's one of the two Frenchmen, Hail to Roberto, who is the early leader. And the one who has positively refused to race is Farncombe. He's absolutely dug in his toes, the complete outsider. So 14 runners then in the Guineas at the end of the first furlong and a half, headed by Hail to Roberto and followed now by Green Desert. Then comes the favourite Dancing Brave, nicely placed in third. Hallgate has made up ground now to go into fourth. On the near side is Sharood. On the inside of him in the same ownership is Shaw Blade. Then with the yellow sleeves just tracking the leaders on the inside, that is Vainglorious. They've completed 2.5 furlongs now, and it's still Cash as Mewson on Hail to Roberto, making the running in the 2,000 guineas, followed by Green Desert. Then Greville Starkey and the favourite Dancing Brave going really well in third. Over on the far side is Tate Gallery, one of the two for Ireland. The other one, Toca Madeira, is tucked in the centre. They're coming inside the final half mile. It's back to Graham.
Not that much pace on early on. A lot of the jockeys taking quite a strong hold with their mounts, but it's Hail to Roberto who leads as they come down to the point past the bushes, 2.5 to race, and Hail to Roberto in the lead. Green Desert looks a big challenger in the blue jacket. Behind these, Faustus. Hallgate starts to pick up ground. Vainglorious and the favourite Dancing Brave in the white sleeves comes with a tremendously powerful run as they go down into the dip. This Dancing Brave from Green Desert, these ahead of Hail to Roberto. Then comes Vainglorious. Sharood with the favourite Dancing Brave strikes the front with the Dancing Brave, quickens up in the start of a very good horse in this general accident 2,000 guineas. Dancing Brave, Greville round, Starkey looked round, no danger, Dancing Brave. Green Desert, Huntingdale third, Sharood four. Behind these, Shaw Blade, Hail to Roberto, and last of all was Tate Gallery. And so the outcome of this general accident 2,000 guineas. The race really developed.